The Media Monitoring System Broadcast Edition, an AI-driven platform that extends the bounds of typical compliance software. This is a long-term 24/7 HD capture and recording solution, specifically engineered for live content visualization and control. Guarantee that your broadcasting QoS is equipped with state-of-the-art analysis and real-time fault detection. Our clients can also expect key built-in features that will keep you ahead of the competition. Features such as ad performance and exposure, trending news discovery, and broadcast content fingerprinting are simultaneously backed by cross-reference to ratings and market analytics. The Media Monitoring System is a scalable solution where you may start small and gradually work your way up to a long-term compliance platform. It is also a cost-effective alternative now available on desktop, iOS, and Android. At VoiceInteraction, we believe that true synergy is only possible when efforts combine. Engineering, production, news, programming, sales traffic, and management. All departments speaking the same language. Get everybody on board.